Welcome back to our channel, Tech News1, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of technology. I'm your host, Unknown Boat, and today we have a lineup of amazing tech news stories that will leave you astonished. So, without further, let's dive right in. Our first story today revolves around the tech giant Google. Brace yourself, because they've just unveiled a groundbreaking AI-powered tool that will revolutionize app development. That's right, folks. Google has introduced AppSheet, an incredible tool that empowers developers to build extraordinary apps without the need to write a single line of code. Imagine the possibilities. With AppSheet, developers can now bring their app ideas to life more efficiently and creatively than ever before. Moving on to our next story, we have a much-anticipated software update from Apple. iOS users, rejoice. Apple has recently released iOS 16.5, packed with exciting new features and improvements. iOS 16.5 brings a fresh lock screen experience, a delightful array of new emojis that will take your messaging to a whole new level, and of course, bug fixes to enhance the overall performance of your Apple devices. Talk about a treat for all Apple enthusiasts out there. Another story, shifting gears. Let's talk about the latest offerings from Xiaomi. Brace yourself, tech aficionados, because Xiaomi has just launched two fantastic budget smartphones in India, the Redmi A2 and the Redmi A2 Plus. The prices should be below 10,000. The Redmi A2 and A2 Plus boast powerful MediaTek Helio G35 processors, ensuring seamless performance for all your day-to-day tasks. And the cherry on top? They come pre-loaded with the latest Android 13, offering an immersive and user-friendly experience. Xiaomi never fails to impress with their incredible value for money. Next story on the tech is now. Let's talk about a potential game-changer in the tech industry. Reports suggest that Apple is gearing up to launch its first mixed reality headset, and it could have a significant impact on Tim Cook's legacy as CEO. Rumor has it that this highly anticipated headset will hit the market in 2023, captivating users with its revolutionary mixed reality experiences. If these rumors hold true, we might witness a groundbreaking step forward for Apple and a defining moment in Tim Cook's tenure as CEO. Exciting times ahead. Time to share an intriguing rivalry in the world of social media. It seems that Instagram, the popular photo-sharing platform, is ready to take on Twitter with a text-based app of its own. That's right, folks. Instagram is reportedly developing a new text-based app, aiming to provide users with a unique and refreshing social media experience. While the app is still in the works, we can't wait to see how it challenges the status quo and spices up our online interactions. Breaking news. In some recent news from Apple, the company has taken a surprising step to address data leak concerns by banning the use of ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, among its employees. No symbol over GPT. Apple's decision comes after concerns were raised regarding the potential for Chat to compromise sensitive data. With data privacy becoming increasingly crucial, it's understandable that companies are taking proactive measures to protect their valuable information. Let's move on to our next story, which highlights the importance of security in the tech world. Microsoft has recently released a series of security updates for its Windows, Office, and other products. These updates aim to address vulnerabilities that could potentially be exploited by hackers. It's vital for users to keep their devices up to date with the latest security patches to ensure a safe and protected digital environment. Kudos to Microsoft for prioritizing user security. Our next news takes us into the realm of social media acquisitions. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, is seeking additional information from none other than Elon Musk regarding his $44 billion takeover of Twitter. The FTC is concerned about the potential threat to competition resulting from Musk's ownership of Twitter. This additional scrutiny adds a new hurdle to Elon Musk's ambitious plan. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it unfolds. Now, let's talk about a surprising development in the world of streaming entertainment. Netflix, the streaming giant, experienced an unexpected setback in the first quarter of 2023, losing a substantial number of subscribers for the first time in over a decade. Yes, you heard that right. Netflix lost 200,000 subscribers, and unfortunately, they're anticipating more losses in the upcoming quarter. The competition in the streaming industry is fierce, and it will be interesting to see how Netflix adapts to this changing landscape. These self-driving vans are currently being tested in California and Arizona, showcasing the incredible progress being made in autonomous vehicle technology. The future of delivery services is evolving right before our eyes, and Amazon is at the forefront of this revolution. And there you have it, folks. Another episode of Tech News1 comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed diving into the latest tech updates with us today. Stay energized and stay tuned for more mind-blowing news in the world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe,